You can earn $6,000 on complete Autopilot every month using this popular platform for completely free. And you can get paid in advance cash, perfect money, payeer, Revolut, bank transfer, and in many other payment methods available here. So even if PayPal is not available in your country, you can still use this platform and earn money with it. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to this platform called Cryptomus.com. I will leave a link in the description of this video which you can use to come over to this platform. And Cryptomus is the platform that's going to help us earn over $6,000 every month on Autopilot. But before I show you how you can earn money with Cryptomus, I would like to first introduce Cryptomus to you so that you can make the most amount of money using this tool. So Cryptomus is a cryptocurrency payment gateway that helps you to send and receive cryptocurrencies using its efficient and fast blockchain technology. You can use Cryptomus for both business and personal use, such as if you have a website where you sell some stuff, you can integrate Cryptomus with your website to receive the crypto payments. And also you can use it for personal use to store your cryptocurrencies, for sending or receiving different cryptocurrencies, and much more. Basically, it's an all-in-one solution that provides users with everything they need to get started in the world of crypto. Not only that, you can also receive payment in dollars and euros or in any other currency using Cryptomus. As you can see, Cryptomus partner Mercurio allows your clients to pay via fiat with Visa or MasterCard. Cryptomus is one of the most popular and trusted payment gateway. You can use Cryptomus on your computer or laptop device and on your smartphone device. I personally use it for my other online businesses that operate through websites, and it is really the best mode of payment for personal purposes and for your online business purposes. All of us should have a Cryptomus account for doing safe and secure online transactions. So I would recommend you to click the first link in the description of this video or in the pinned comment and create your Cryptomus account today. Cryptomus is available worldwide, and you can use it from any country around the world. It's completely free to use Cryptomus, and you can earn over $6,000 for completely free using it. And the reason behind its popularity is it's only one commission structure. They don't have any hidden charges, no additional integration commission, no withdrawal commission, and no subscriptions or monthly usage commission. They just take a 2% commission per transaction that you receive as a new merchant user when you use the business wallet. But you can contact their team to lower it to just 0.4% per transaction, which is really awesome. And for the personal wallet, they just have a commission in P2P exchange and a fee of network. Their auto-convert feature allows you to convert all incoming payments to the currencies you prefer, which helps to protect you from loss of volatility in the price of different cryptocurrencies. Cryptomus provides a fast and secure transaction facility because each and every transaction is securely tracked by their blockchain network. And the good thing is that if a Cryptomus user transfers any payments to you, you won't be charged any fee. And that's really amazing. And if you have an online business that you run through any website, Cryptomus will help you get more conversions on that website, which will ultimately increase your revenue. One more great thing about Cryptomus is that they don't charge any withdrawal fee from their users. Of course, there is some network fee that depends on which cryptocurrency you are trying to send and how busy the networks are, but they don't actually charge any fee from their users. Not only that, you can also set up automatic withdrawals from your personal account to any wallet by assigning a period, currency, and a network. You can also send mass payouts to thousands of addresses with flexible automatic conversions in just one moment, which is really great feature that one can use to save a lot of time and effort. Now down here you can also see the different networks available on Cryptomus and their fee when you click on this drop-down icon on a specific network. So now the second step is to register yourself on Cryptomus, because the more knowledge and experience you have about this platform, the more money you're going to make with it. So just click where it says sign up, and that's going to take you to this page where you can just enter your email ID, create a strong password for your account, check this terms and privacy policy box, and press create an account. You will receive a verification code on your email ID to log into your Cryptomus account. So once you log into your account, this is how your dashboard will look like. So here you can see your personal wallet and your business wallet. And on this section, you will be shown all the transactions related to your wallet. Now, if you want to receive any cryptocurrency payment, all you have to do is to click on the receive from here. Then just select the currency you want to receive. For example, I want to receive the BNB currency, so I will select it from here. Next, I will just select the network for my currency, which is the BSC network in this case. After that, I just need to scroll down a little bit, and here I can see the address to receive BNB currency to my account, which I can copy from here, and I can share the same with the sender. Just like this, you can withdraw any currency from here. Now, if you want to convert any currency in your wallet, you can do so by clicking on this convert option right here. Then, you can select the currency you want to convert in this box. Next, you can select the currency you want to convert it into. You can enter the amount of currency you want to convert right here, and you can easily convert the currency from here. Now let me show you how the business wallet works here. So here you can see all the transactions from your your merchant. And first of all, you need to add a merchant if you have any. For example, you are running a dropshipping or drop servicing store, you are providing online services through your website, etc. So you can just click on this plus icon over here, and you can enter the name of your merchant in this box and just click Create a Merchant. As you can see, you successfully added a new merchant, and you can close this pop-up from here. So now you can see all your merchants on the left-hand side. For example, you want to integrate your newly created merchant Cryptomus account with your website. All you have to do is to select the merchant from here and click on Settings from the above. Just make sure API integration is selected right here, and then scroll down a little bit. And here you want to make sure that the website option is selected unless you want to connect your Telegram bot to it. Then just paste your website URL in this box, write a simple description about your website, and click the Submit button right here. It will show you 3 ways to confirm your domain, and I would recommend you to use the meta tag method to confirm your website. So just select it from here. It will give you a code that you have to put in the head tag of your website, and then just click on this check button to confirm your website, and your API integration will be completed successfully. One more important thing is that you can set up an auto-convert settings on your merchant payment, which will protect you from the loss arising from the volatility of the price of different currencies. So for example, if you want the Cryptomus to automatically convert the BNB currency you receive through your merchant into the USDT currency, all you have to do is to select this icon next to BNB currency and select the USDT from there. Now you just need to turn on the auto convert option next to it, and from now on, all the BNB currency you receive through this particular merchant will be automatically converted into USDT in your Cryptomus business account. Cryptomus provides you with a white label crypto payment gateway. This means that you can add your website branding through all the steps of the payment processing on your website through Cryptomus. So you can upload your logo for it to appear on your payment page instead of the Cryptomus logo. You can mask Cryptomus domain name with your company domain name, etc. And the good thing is, you will get all this at no extra cost other than the 0.4% commission fee on your incoming transactions, which is just awesome. Cryptomus also provides you with the crypto processing, which means you can create your own crypto exchange using Cryptomus, and you can also create your own crypto gateway with the help of Cryptomus, and much more. You can see a map on the screen depicting exactly how all the crypto processing works using Cryptomus, and for this, you can contact their team to help you set up everything with ease. Now, step number 3, to earn money with Cryptomus, all you have to do is to select the personal wallet from here. Then, you need to click on your profile icon and select the settings option from there. Now on this page, I want you to click on the referral program from there. That's going to show you that you can invite clients on Cryptomus, and you can earn 30% of commission on the payment commission earned by Cryptomus through your client. So for example, if you refer 10 clients to Cryptomus using your link, which you can find right here, and you can copy the link by pressing this button. And if all of those 10 clients have done transactions worth $1 million in a month, the Cryptomus would earn a 2% commission on the transactions, which becomes $20,000, and you will earn 30% of Cryptomus earnings from your clients. That is, you will earn $6,000 on complete autopilot every month, for as long as your clients keep earning close to $1 million every month altogether. And to find clients, you can go over to Google and search for website developers in top-tier countries like United States, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, and United Kingdom. You will be shown different websites on the search result page of Google. All you have to do is to open up these sponsored websites, because they are already spending money on acquiring clients, so they will be more likely to integrate Cryptomus into their websites. Once you open up any website, I want you to search for their contact email address on their site, and I want you to send them an email promoting the Cryptomus in a friendly way with your referral link in that email. And for this, you can take help of ChatGPT, because why not? Even if you get 20 clients who earn over $50,000 a month, they will together do transactions over $1 million on Cryptomus every month. This means you will be earning over $6,000 every month on complete autopilot after referring them once. So once again, the link to the Cryptomus will be in the description of this video, and you can use that link to register on this awesome platform. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.